My name is Mark Green. I'm director at Fruition, and Fruition Home is our new service for home design within the Southwest. Fruition Home provides complete design and refurbishment services for those wishing to create a fabulous new place to live.
I'm Louise and I'm an interior designer at Fruition Home. Interior designers are a lot more than just the cushions and curtains. That is just one small element of it. It's more about the layout, the flow of a home, whether that works, doesn't work, the space planning, then putting all the finishing touches in as well, so it looks fantastic, but it really works for that person and it works as a home for them.
Well, each project will start with a site visit. We'll take photographs. We will look at the way people currently use their space and then start to assess if the space that they currently live in is actually being used to best effect.
At the beginning we'll produce 3D visualisations, which is a computer generated view within the space, so the client can really see what the end result will look like, and it's much easier for them to make a decision about whether they like the design.
Wherever possible, we like to work with local suppliers. This gives us the opportunity to build strong relationships, come up with flexible solutions, and that we support each other and rely on one another to create a great job.
What makes Fruition Home unique is that we are really creative. We love design, we love interiors, but we also are very systematic with our approach to the project management and delivering a really good quality end result for the clients and going that extra mile for them.